Hi, in last video we have seen how we can print the list of Fibonacci series, and in this video we are going to see how we can write a program to print the list of prime number. So basically the prime number is the number which is divisible by 1 or itself only. If it is going to divisible by any other number, then it's not going to be considered as the prime number. So I want to write a program to print the list of prime number up to 10, and this value you can choose as per your requirement, like up to how much you want to print that prime number. So before going to start, please like and subscribe my channel. Yeah, so let's start. So before going to start, see like what I have written. Write a program to print the list of prime number. It means I want to print any sequence, but here it is not given any sequence. So we know if we have to generate any sequence, either it's a prime, Fibonacci, even, or if we have to generate the sequence, then we have to use the range function. And one more thing, all this output I want to print in the list. So before going to start, I want to take one list. So in that only I will append all my prime number one by one. So first I want to generate the sequence. So we know we can generate the sequence with the help of the range function. So let's see how we can do. For each element in range, and what will be the range? So I want to print from 0 to 10. So I want to print the prime number between 0 to 10. So because of that only I have taken 0 to 11, because we know it is always going to be considered n minus 1. So n is nothing but 11, and 11 minus 1 is nothing but 10. So it means it will print the prime number present in the range 0 to 10. Then what I want to check, see we know like all the number going to be divisible by 1, and there is no any meaning of dividing anything with the 0. So what we can do, like we can add one condition. If that number, which is that element x equals to 1, or x equals to 0, no need to do anything, simply continue. Here I'm using this continue because if the element is 1 or a 0, so I don't want to perform any operation to skip that particular iteration. So because of that only I'm using continue. After that, what I want to do, then for each element I'm taking one more for loop, y in range. And why I'm taking this range, and what will be the range from this y variable? So the range should be start from 2. Why I'm taking 2? As we know, all the number is divisible by 1. So there is a no meaning for checking 1. So what I want to do, I want to check if that particular element or number divisible by in range 2 to that number itself. So what will be the number? X only. Here you can see this x is nothing but this element in the range. So for each element in the range 2, so 2 basically is nothing but the starting point, and x is nothing but coming from here. So if my number completely divisible, because of that only I'm using mod equals mod y equals to 0. It means if it is a complete divisible by any number between 2 to that particular number itself. For example, this number is for example 5. So 2 to 5, what are the numbers are coming? 2, 3, 4. So if the number is divisible by either 2 or 3 or 4, it means that number is not a prime number. Because as I told you, for a prime number, we have a condition like a number, if it divisible by itself or 1, then only it is going to be considered as the prime number. So for example, if it is complete divisible by any number in that range, so it is not going to be considered as the prime number. So simply I want to break that loop. come outside, and else what I want to do, else if it is a not a prime number, it means it is a prime number. So what I want to do, list dot append, what I want to append, I want to append that number, come outside, and at last I want to print that list. uh, Let me run. See, 2 3 5 7, because we have given range 0 to 11, it means it will print up to 10 only. If you change the range, let me change up to 100. See, so these are the prime number up to 100. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.